Okay, I'm going to this operating room to see what's new. Alright, I'm in this operating room, and let's see what I'm doing. What are you doing? This is a restricted area, my Melody. I'm going to have to ask you to get out of here. Or otherwise, I'm going to punch you. Bah! Oh no, not Carface from All Dogs Go to Heaven. He keeps getting me every time. Killer? Yes, boss. Can you force my Melody not to come back in here again? Yes. Remember, no Miss Huffles, no Charlie B. Barkins, Miss Piggies, Anne Marie's, and King Gators are allowed in here. Yes. It's funny. Oh my goodness. Why did Richard F. Carr keep requesting this? Did you just get... you got kicked out too. Yes. And this keeps... And I lost my fanny pack. Oh no, you don't have a fanny pack. What in the actual world? I lost my tin hat.